Finally! Finally, you took long enough!
This is the National Weather Service office in Buffalo, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at about 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of the broadcast and of the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in working order. To provide the most consistent and simple warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for usage as watches and warnings for the following counties: KD98 Buffalo and WWQ32 Little Valley. For the counties of Allegheny,
XMJ's first. XMJ 330.
Le test cellulaire est ouvert sur un 004.